Hey guys, this is a children's metal detector from Panky. I'm not actually sure how you pronounce the brand, but I just thought I would show you today what all it comes with, how it works. I've got a little metal lid here that we're going to test, and we're going to just kind of take a look at everything. So really easy to put together. You just kind of screw this end, like you slide the bar in and then tighten this end and then slide the bar in to the handle side, tighten that. This screen folds down, and so you just pop that out when in use so that when they're holding it like this, they can see what's on the screen. It seems really short, and I was thinking at first, oh, that's for like a really small child. But actually, when I'm standing, so because the handle is here and not like up on the arm, when I'm standing and I'm 5'6", it's about an inch above the ground. So even a small adult could easily use this, or a large child. So anyway, you're gonna have the power button right here. Your handle here does have kind of like these sort of ridges that help to grip that. And then I'm just gonna hover over the top of this so that we can see when it starts to pick that up. Okay, so I'm like right there. I'm a good ways still above that, and it's getting a reading, which is really awesome. So on the screen, it shows like a treasure box, which is so fun, like for a kid, you know. I do have the adult version of this as well, and that one has like more readings and things like that, so you can tell what kind of metal you're getting. But this is perfect for a child to just go out and have fun. And then it comes with these little tools so that they can dig up like in the sand or the dirt, wherever they're kind of exploring and looking for treasure. It's got these two sort of rubber grips on here. These are plastic, but they're really like well made, like they feel really quality. Anyhow, that's what comes with this. It seems to work really well, and I could see like my nephew having a ton of fun with this. So anyway, hope this was helpful to you. Have a great day.